Kanili nga Provincial Director kan DILG, Pidinoy, sa atin nga newly elected Vice Governor, Lady Ann, Lian, at sa atin nga incoming board members, sa atin nga interim PCL President, fellow board members, department heads, employees in the IPG, friends in the media, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Daw kabudlay man magambal kung daw katapusan mo rin ambal kaya sa sanggunian panalawigan. For 6 years, almost 6 years nga nagtungko kita bilang PCL President sa probinsya kay Iloilo. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga tao nga nagtao oportunidad kag nagtao kang handa nga pagsari kanaton nga maging first ever PCL President in the province of Iloilo na naghalin sa Segundo Distrito. In the first PCL President who served twice re-elected in the entire Region 6. I would like to mention Congressman Ferds Biron, Congressman Mike Gorisita, Gugputo, Kung Nunoy, and the rest of the leaders of the province of Iloilo. During my stint as the PCL President in the province of Iloilo, I made complete reform sa PCL. I introduced several programs nga daw kang una hindi naman ma-realize as a PCL members. Kakabudlay ka naman kang una mag-secure kang assistance coming from the national. And I localized it with the help ng ating mga officers, municipal board, and the members of the PCL Iloilo. Gin-localize naman ang pagtao kang medical assistance, burial assistance, and yearly insurance benefits to members and our staff. And we also provide educational financial assistance to members of the PCL Iloilo na gusto magpadayon ka handa nga eskwela. And happy to inform this body and the province of Iloilo have produced already 2 lawyers coming from the municipality of San Miguel and Alimujan. And some are master's degree. And we also institutionalize the PCL week celebration in now the PCL month, and adopted some programs and activities of our national agencies, just like Study Ed, ang amon local legislative seminars for high school student. I hope will be continued by my successor. Ang programa kan aton probinsya sa Iloilo, ang Tanim Iloilo, and we have successfully planted thousands of trees and mangroves in different areas. And also a cultural immersion to our cultural minorities, brothers and sisters in the province, and providing medical and dental services to Parlang barangays in the province of Iloilo. And I also would like to thank our beloved Vice Governor, Tingarin, for welcoming me on my first term as the member of the 13th Sangguniang and the 14th Sangguniang. By guidance and cooperation and support on all PCL activities, and to my partners, SP members, for welcoming me on my first term as an ex officio board member of the province of Iloilo. Thank you for the camaraderie and friendship. I will treasure it. May mga partners kita in crime, ang bani board man. And regardless of political differences, though ay natin ginalantaw nga makahindrans galit kang atong relasyon sa isa kag isa. And that I realize the political maturity among the members of the Sangguniang Pananabigan. To the SP staff, for your understanding and guidance for me and my staff, especially to Atty. Raul, waiga rin si Atty. Josay Coron, to Parialan, to all the department heads and employees of the Iloilo Provincial Government for your support to the programs of the PCL. Especially to our beloved Governor, Gov. Tuto, always there when the PCL Iloilo needs the most. Sa ating tanan, may bagpo kita nga para nakuhaan naman. So it is also a challenge, and maybe it is not very well to all of us. Kaya marapit man lang kita, kaya mabirisita ay man lang kita tanan. So thank you for this time, and mabuhay ang Sangguniang Panlalawigan, mabuhay ang probinsya ng Iloilo.
Daw nang umusasa sa iyo.
Dapat kanan kamustawan.
Ano naman yun matapos.
Dapat ko lang sa tanas bala. Before you proceed, Mr. Floor Leader, the Chair,